Hello friends, if this is your first visit to my channel, let me say welcome. My name is Gene Robinson and I have been flying drones for search and rescue and public safety for the past 16 years. I've been to 31 states, 6 countries, flying my drones in all sorts of environments and conditions. This channel will allow me to share some of the things that we've learned and the obstacles we've had to overcome. We will talk about drone technology, hardware, software, and tools that will make your life as a SAR operator more effective. I intend to post videos here regularly on a variety of SAR subjects, so I think I'm supposed to say click here to like and subscribe too so you don't miss a single chapter in this book. Thanks for stopping by.